Hi guys, March 5th, 2026 on this nice little JCB 220 XL excavator, a little over 1,000 hours on the computer meter they're showing. Give you a quick little operations video, show you this unit's working as it's supposed to, and let you guys see it for what it is. All right guys, as you can see, the track motors work as they're supposed to, going forward, backwards, 2-speed tracks on that. Thumb works, bucket works, slew bearings tight. No major leaks to be blowing out anywhere. All the cylinders seem to be pretty dry. Pretty nice machine, guys. So if you're interested, please give them a call. Again, this is on the 2019 or 2020 model. to be believed on this JCB 220 XL excavator. Thanks very much.